Hello students, welcome to science class. In last video of chapter 1, My Body, we discussed about external organs, internal organs and term digestion. In this video, we will discuss about various parts of digestive system. See in this picture, different parts of digestive system are mouth, food pipe, also known as esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. First part of digestive system is our mouth, which helps in process of digestion. You can see in this picture mouth. Our digestive system begins with mouth. It's the first part of digestive system. Our mouth contains teeth and tongue. Coming to teeth. Teeth are very important part of our mouth. They help us to bite and chew the food, and they also give shape to our face and help us to speak clearly. Two sets of teeth are formed in one's lifetime. A baby is born with no teeth. Yes, when you were a baby, you are also not having your teeth with you. But when you reach the age of 6 months, your teeth begin to appear. And by the time when you reach the age of 3 years, then you must be having a set of 20 teeth. Those set of 20 teeth are known as temporary teeth or milk teeth. When a child reaches the age of 6 to 12 years, 6 and 12 years, his milk teeth fall out one by one and new teeth start growing in their place. So these new teeth are known as permanent teeth, and these permanent teeth in adult are 32 in number. You must have seen that most of you people have faced falling of teeth, right? And don't scare, new teeth will come soon in that place. We discussed about two sets of teeth, milk teeth and permanent teeth. That were not the types of teeth. Now we will come to types of teeth. Coming to first type of teeth, flat teeth. These teeth are present in front of mouth and are used for biting and cutting of the food, also known as incisors. There are in total 8 incisors, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. See in this picture, these green colored teeth. These 4 green colored teeth are flat teeth which are present in front of mouth. See, this is the upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. 4 are present in upper jaw and 4 flat teeth are present in lower jaw also. So in total there are 8 incisors present in our mouth, including in upper jaw and in lower jaw. These flat teeth are used for cutting and biting of different food items. For example, you have taken bite of a biscuit also. When you put biscuit in your mouth, you crush it or cut it with the help of your front teeth only, not with your back teeth or the teeth present at back. So, and one more example, when you bite an apple, then you bite with your front teeth now. So incisors, those teeth which helps in biting and cutting of the food, those teeth are known as flat teeth. See in this picture, incisors are flat teeth. They are used for cutting only, not for chewing or grinding. Coming to second type of teeth, pointed teeth. These are sharp and used for tearing the food, also known as canines. There are 4 canines in all. Let's see how. See in this picture. Green one, I told you earlier, green one, these are the incisors or flat teeth. Canines are present on either side of flat teeth. See the orange one, which I have marked C as C. Orange colored teeth. These are the canines. These are present on either side of flat teeth, right? These are present 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. So there are in total 4 canines in our mouth. These canines are used for tearing the food, not for biting and cutting. Basically, these are used for tearing, right? And somehow you can see these are the some pointed teeth which are present in our mouth. Coming to third type of teeth, broad and grooved teeth. Basically, we can say that these are again 2 types, broad and grooved. They divided into premolars and molars, but we can collaboratively put it under one category also. So teeth present at back of mouth are having grooves and they are broad. They are used for chewing and grinding the food. So these are known as premolars and molars. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw next to canines. And molars come after the premolars. So these are 12 in all, 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. Let's see in the picture. See in this picture, I have marked areas. Green colored are the flat teeth. Green colored are the flat teeth. Orange ones are the canines next to flat teeth on either side of the flat teeth, both here in upper and lower jaws, right? This is the upper jaw, this is the lower jaw, right? And yellow colored are the premolars, which I told. Yellow colored, which I have marked PM as premolars, right? And the blue ones are the molars. As it is written in the book also, premolars are present next to canines. These are present 8 in total, 4 in upper and 4 in lower jaws. See premolars. See here. Two are present here, 2 are present here, 2 are present here, and 2 are present here. So 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2 again 4, so 8 premolars in total present in our mouth. See, now I have marked molars. After premolars, molars come, right? The sky blue ones, which I have written as M, right? There are 3 molars present here, 3 are present here, 3 are in lower jaw and 3 are on either side, right? 6 in total present. 6 in upper jaw molars and 6 in lower jaw molars. So in total 12 molars present in our mouth. There was a line written in that book. Grooves. What are grooves? So, molars and premolars have grooves in them. These are also known as broad and grooved teeth. But why grooved? See their shape. It's like a little bit rough from outside, or you can also feel by touching your tongue on back teeth. You can feel this roughness over your teeth. So these roughness, or these are known as grooved teeth. These are basically known as grooves. Grooves means like a gadda type. Okay, so these are the canines I have shown here. It's a little bit pointed, right? And incisors are flat because their above surface is flat only. So with this, our topic teeth is complete now. Next topic we will discuss in next video. Till that you can revise the number of types of teeth present in our upper and lower jaw from this diagram. You can take screenshot of this photo so that you can remember for the time. Okay, thank you.